everyone, welcome to my channel if you're new, and welcome back if you're returning. So today I'm going to take down my twist, and I'm going to talk about a couple of things that I have been doing in my hair, along my hair journey, a couple of products I use, why I use them, what I'm hoping to get out of them, and blah 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 blah. So let's just get into this thing. Okay, first things first. Something that I noticed with my hair is that, with my body, I can tell when my iron is low. So I had to get my iron in check because that definitely contributes to my hair either being thin, the circulation of blood, and if you have an iron deficiency, make sure that you keep that in check. So I have been using this on a regular basis. I use the slow FE version because it's a little more gentle on my stomach. And the whole thing with the iron is you need to know why you have iron deficiency. Like if you are anemic, there are levels. It's a spectrum, so you can be slightly anemic, severely anemic. Basically, if you are told that you are anemic, that's one thing. If you are cold sometimes or you crave ice, you probably have an iron deficiency, or you could maybe have an iron deficiency, or it could be transfusion level, you know. So I'm kind of that girl. So if you are transfusion level, there are things that you're gonna notice about your body, and you can tell when you're iron deficient. I can tell with the underside, under my eye, the color, if it's like white, my gums. I can tell with my hair. I can tell with my energy level, stuff like that. And I can also tell with my complexion. So I definitely have been taking my iron for probably the past 90 days straight. I've been on it, and I can definitely see the difference. So, and also when you are iron deficient, it's good to find out why, like where the area is, where the issue is, because it could be a platelet issue, it can be the volume, it can be the quality. And we all know blood carries oxygen throughout your body, so you definitely want your blood platelets to be at their best potential, I guess, so that they can do what they're supposed to do. If you're not getting proper circulation to your hair, it's going to cause your hair to be thin, it'll cause shedding, it could cause bald spots, it won't promote healthy growth and healthy hair. So, and also something I found out recently, that if you are iron deficient and you do not take care of it, you run the risk of prematurely graying. I don't know if it would be premature for me because I'm kind of old, but I still don't want to be gray, not yet. So yeah, I started taking my iron because I'm worried about that. Speaking of prematurely graying, I have another thing about that. So rosemary oil, this is the brand that I use. So this is supposed to combat premature graying. This is good for dandruff. It has anti-inflammatory properties, and also it improves your blood circulation. Then adding this with that, also another one that I mess with is the peppermint oil. This one is Sun Essentials oil. And I love peppermint oil because it definitely helps with, it's supposed to help with dandruff and also the blood circulation and oxygen supply. Now that you can kind of feel what's going on. Also eucalyptus, I love eucalyptus. I think it's good. It's an antibacterial, so if you keep your hair in protective styles, adding this to a carrier oil or to your routine and putting it on your scalp can definitely help you. If, like I said, you're using protective styles, you're using styles that your scalp is not able to necessarily breathe how it likes to. And then another one is my lavender. So this one is supposed to be good for shedding. It's supposed to be good to get your circulation going and get things moving around. Now all of those oils are essential oils. I do not put any of them directly on my scalp. For the essential oils, I use a carrier oil and I mix it. So I use the coconut oil, and I will say this. So this, as you can see, I've used it all gone. There's another oil. Where is it? I don't have it up here. Okay, well, be careful with the coconut oil that you get, because this one is cold pressed. That is the one that I use. That is the only one I prefer. I had someone go grocery shopping for me, and they grabbed the Expeller. I think it's called Expeller pressed or whatever. So that one is not the best. That means that it was extracted at a higher temperature, so it kind of lost some of the benefits that it could have had. So yeah, I would use that one for like cooking, but not necessarily for my hair. And I use coconut oil in my hair. I mix my essential oils with this. I'll put some herbs and let it like sit and do its thing for a couple of weeks, couple of months, and then I kind of like go in and I like to put stuff in my hair. I don't really like putting products on my scalp, but my little mixture is one of the only things that I will actually put on my scalp. Also, olive oil. Extra virgin olive oil is really good as a carrier oil. I use it to seal. And also I have this. It smells really good. I don't really see the benefit of it. I just bought it because, you know, I was riding the train, the YouTube train, and I'm just using it until it's gone. As you can see, it's like at the bottom. I'm almost there. So it just smells good. I just go ahead and put this a little bit in my hand, and then I put it on the ends of my hair after I've done all of the moisturizing products. Once I finish this bottle, I'll be putting my carrier oil, essential oil mix in here, and then just dropping it in my hand. So what I've been using for shampoo, I have recently jumped on the Texture ID train. I love Texture ID. I've got the coils. I don't have the curls one or the original yet. So can y'all see that? It's like, oh, this lighting sucks. There we go. Pick it up, curls. Yeah, coils. So I've been using these two, the detangling conditioner, the detangling shampoo, and I am almost finished with my Tropical Moringa Main Choice shampoo. This one's almost gone. So that's why I was okay to buy a few others. And in between, what I'll do is I'll alternate with Texture ID and Redken. This is a Redken Extreme, so it's like protein based, has protein complex, so I will do both. And also, my deep conditioners that I have been using, well, I only have one that I've been using lately, and that's this self-heating conditioning mask. I love this stuff. I'm definitely a fan of this, but I have the other one. I have the original Texture ID deep treatment mask, and that one is more protein based. So the next time I wash my hair, I'm going to try this for the first time. I will be doing a style with that. I have that, and I have a styling cream. So I'll be trying both of these for the first time. And let me see what else I have. My spray leave-in. So after I shampoo and condition my hair, I go in with this. This is almost gone, y'all. I love this stuff. This is the Texture ID Intense Moisturizing Leave-In Conditioner. It's kind of a thick one. I really like this. Make sure you guys check out my other videos to see me using these products for the first time, second time, now like fourth or fifth time. Love that stuff. And I'm almost done with my Pureology Color Fanatic. So I do not have color treated hair. I have pretty much virgin hair, but or heat treated hair, but I love this, the way it works on my hair. And this is a liquid spray on, so I really love this. I'm almost finished, so I don't know, I'm loving it. I'm riding the Texture ID train, but I may have to go get another one of these because I have been, this is my ride or die. This is Old Faithful. I've been using this for a while and I love it. So yeah, that's about it. That's all I really have going on for my hair right now. So I'm gonna take down these twists, and I want to see what I have. Is I used the Texture ID, and then I used the twist butter. Can y'all see that? I used the twist butter, and I sealed it with my coconut oil and my essential oils. So my hair has been in twists for about 3 weeks. I refreshed once. I have a video to record, so I wanted to have, I don't know, try something different with my hair. We're gonna see how this thing works, and if it doesn't work, I'm just going to, I don't know, wrap my hair up in a doobie. I'll doobie my hair up. Okay, so these twists, as you can see, my scalp is a little bit wet because I took a shower, but the twists themselves should be pretty dry. Okay, so let's go ahead and take these down. Well, first thing I need to do is put a little bit of oil in my hair. Now, I do not expect this twist out to actually work because y'all know, y'all have heard me rant about my hair and how it doesn't curl when it's dry. When it's dry, it's straighter. So I want to see how this works. 3 weeks of twisting of a twist style hopefully can result in a decent twist out. Okay, let's fast forward this thing.
usual. The only part that came out right was the back, was the middle. That one section that's like good and 4C. That's the only part that acted like it wanted to cooperate with me. The rest of this stuff is just a frizzy mess. It's over.
Okay, so it decided it didn't want to play nice, as you can see. It's just one big fuzzball. So yeah, twist out fail. You know, the back did. The back it did a little bit better than the front, and then this middle section here did awesome. But see, that came out really pretty. But this, oh no, she does what she wants to do, and she did not want to do a twist out. So I'm just going to take all of my hair, and I'm going to kind of elongate it a little bit and come up with something, and I guess I'll be back. Okay, y'all, so this is what I'm gonna call a thick hair flex, because as y'all know, my hair is super thin, but so I have a little bit of I have a lot of frizzy, so I'm gonna take my frizzy and make it work for me. Y'all can see the back has way more definition. I just pulled the top up. If you want to do your edges, now would be a great time to lay them. I'm not laying no edges. I have a video to do, and I could not afford to have a hair fail, even though this is a fail. This is a twist out fail. It's all good. I'm going to fluff the back and just like kind of lengthen it a little bit so it doesn't look like I'm bald headed, because as y'all can see, like, you know, your girl got a little bit of length. I just hate looking like my hair is as short as it is. Like it comes, can y'all see? It's down to my ribs. But anyway, so I'm going to fluff this out. And one thing I will say, if you have super short hair, I just pulled the top up to make it look like I got some stuff going on. Really, I don't. I just pulled it up, and I'm gonna let the frizz work for me. Well, I'm gonna style this, but that's the thing. If you have frizzy hair and you have thin strands, it's possible to get away with some stuff. You just need to let your frizz fly free. And I haven't added any products. My hair is still moisturized, but it's a little greasy. It's greasy because I use this oil here, and it's also greasy just because it's greasy. Good thing the oil didn't spill. Okay, anyway, so I was dribbling this into my hand, so it's a little greasy to take it out because I didn't want frizz, but this is what we came out with. So yeah, this is just my my twist out fail. Make it, I don't know, fake it till you make it. Well, I've been faking it my whole life because my hair's never gonna get thicker, but it's all good. So yeah, I'm done. I'm about to get out of here and go film my try on haul. I need to fix this because I look weird. So that's it. Deuces.